This is Justin Trudeau's answer to the cost of living. And President Trump became president, and this is Justin Trudeau's worst nightmare. This is his answer. Just watch.
Yeah, boy.
About cost of living.
What message do you draw from the U.S. becoming the latest advanced economy to vote out its incumbent government, and what lessons do your government take from Democrats running on a progressive message but losing ground with nearly every voter cohort in the U.S., with people more focused on the economy and cost of living?
Canadians are absolutely focused on the cost of living, which is why we are stepping up with dental care.
What?
For seniors. Over 1 million people have already accessed
cost of living, dental care.
Ages coming on soon.
All the middle class workers have
free insulin and free
private
prescription contraceptives
insurance
to Canadians across the country whose weekly budgets
That's not
are
cost of living.
Why we're moving forward with a school food program.
What?
That'll save hundreds of dollars for families on groceries and make sure the kids have
Give it back to the middle class working people.
Schools. Why we're stepping up with $10 a day,
so they can afford all that.
More space.
$10 a day. That's been the promise since my kids were like
costs are so high.
A baby.
Why we're
and they're like in their 20s now.
In more affordable homes.
Jesus.
To bring down the costs of rent, to make sure that young families can afford their homes. These are the things that Canadians need at a time when we're squeezed, and all those
not all Canadians
I just listed. Pierre Poilievre
working Canadians
against.
Have those already intact.
He did everything he could to block
from their work.
Care. He stands against pharmacare, against child care, against the school food program.
Liar.
Against investments in housing, that is the first thing he'd cut. He just announced. Against the investments in drawing in good jobs from around the world, investors from around the world to create good jobs here. Canadians need a positive plan that'll put money in their pockets and grow the future. That's exactly what we are fighting for every single day.
A few hours later.
Yan, mga youth ngayon, no? They're loitering right now. Please don't loiter, even though it's in you're in Canada. Come on, don't do this.
The next day.
Labig na. Mausok na. Ito tayo sa Costco. Bili tayo ng bread. Bread and money are the same word back in the good old days. Meron ka bang bread? Meron ka bang pera? Ayan. Ayan, oh. Makapal daw ang mukha ko, sabi ng iba. Ayan. Sabi ko naman, aba, totoo naman, mas makapal ko sa balat ng kalabaw. Ayan. Ang reasoning is yan, pabalag-vlog pa, kapal naman ang mukha. Kala mo naman may makikinig sa kanya. Ganun, no? Ay, Filipino toxic traits. Yan ang isa sa ating mga dapat iwasan. I don't know kung inggit or ano lang, like gusto ka lang niyang makitang mas mababa sa kanya. Yan ang I think what's happening. So I don't know, I just don't care what other people are saying about me now. At my age, when you get this age at this point in time, like you don't really care what other people said about you, as long as wala kang natatapakang tao, wala kang niyuyurakang pagkatao ng iba. You just do what makes you happy and do what's good for other people. I think it's a good advice, right? So yeah, you don't like go under pressure with peer pressure. I guess pagka teenager ka or mas bata ka pa is that's the case, right? But at this point in time, you know, it's better not to care what other people say, right? Yun.
Brother,
Ayan, napansin ko price ng gasoline dito bumaba ng mga another 10 cents, I guess. 152.9 before, or 153.9, and now it's 144.9. I guess the Trump wins, like all the stock exchange are going up. S&P 100 or 500 ba yun? And the price of Bitcoin, I guess it went up a little bit more too. So I think it's good for the world economy ang Trump presidency, right? So we'll see what happens, and then we just need to take care of Canada now. Get rid of Trudeau as our prime minister.
brother,
Yeah, I'm being blunt about that.
what's that?
Yan mga pinamili natin.
What's that, brother?
Bumili ako ng isang tawag nito, hoodie. Masarap yung double Belgian chocolate cake. Bread lang, oh. Dami ko na nakita. May tawag nun, yung pila sa food bank daw. Dito naman may pila sa ano, sa tawag nito, sa food samples. Ayan. Kaya maraming mimili. Alas 11, ano pala, mag alas 12 pa lang ng bukas kasi Remembrance Day. Maraming ang tawag nito, ang masarado pala ang Costco sa holiday. Daming tao ngayon. Daming namimili. Ito, BC Clothing. Kaso bumili ako dati ng BC Clothing, madaling masira. Ano kanyan? Ito, thermal. Ito, okay ito, Bauer. Eddie Bauer. Large, extra large. Kuha tayong extra large para medyo may tawag nun, allowance pagka lumaki-laki tayo. $15. Yung binili natin, oh, $24.99 Caterpillar. John Deere. Tingnan natin ang John Deere. Black o XL. John Deere 29. Ito na lang, Caterpillar. Hazard. Yan, XL na gray. Puro black. May Hero 13 black dito, special bundle. Ayan, $539. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi 5.3 at 60. Video 24.7 frame grabs sa picture, megapixel, waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, 400 frames per second burst slow-mo, voice control. Kaso nag-overheat daw to eh. Ganda sana palitan yung GoPro 12 natin eh. DJI Mini 4 Pro $12.99, mahal. Yung speaker $59.99. Yan, ganda sana yan, may avoidance ano kasi yan eh, kaysa sa Mini 3, kaso mahal. Destroying my thing, man. Just there we go. We missed the schedule. It's supposed to be at 12 to 1. Now it's somebody offered him to coach him. Yeah, so he's getting coached because he looks disappointed. So yeah, might as well. Wait.
2,000 years later.
This is my gripe about Canada Post. They give me a notice, they have a delivery, but they didn't even knock. So maybe there's an amount due. Yeah, they could have. I was there working. They could have just knocked on the door and